All right, from the graph below, determine the ordered pairs and then give the domain and the range. So the ordered pair, so where is each person sitting? I'm going to start on my far right here. This point right here is who I'm going to mess with first. He's over 2, up 1. So over 2, up 1. There's that ordered pair. The other ordered pair is this guy right here. He's over 1 and then up 2. We always go over and then up or down. So either move left or right first, then up or down. As I explained in class, it's sort of like getting a box of cereal. We're always going to move over to where it is, and then we're going to reach up or reach down to grab that cereal. So here's this cereal box. I go over none, and then I reach up 4. On the next one right here, that's you go over to -1 and then up to a height of 3. And then this one here, we go over -2 and then up a height of 1. And finally, this guy right here, we go over to -3 and then down to -2. Over -3 and then reach down -2. The domain are which x's have values. We could see there was one here at 2, at 1, at 0, at -1, at -2, and -3. I'm going to list them backwards. Okay? There's no right or wrong way here. I'm simply going to say, hey, there was one here at -3. There was an x value at -3. There was one at -2. There was one at -1. There was one at 0. And x had a value at 1, at 2. And that's it. And I could have gotten those off of, oops, wrong thing. I'm on the range. We could have gotten those off of here. 2, which you can see is right here. And then you had 1, which is right here, and so forth. The range, and these should have been more of little braces. The range, which were the y values. We will come back and just do that. Which one, the height. We saw there was at 4 and 3 and 2 and 1 at 1 and so forth. We can actually erase that to sort of see where they are. Oops. So we can see, let's just do it that way. We can see there's one at the y has a value at 4, height of 4, height of 3, height of 2. At 1, notice that took care of the one that was here and here. And then there was one at a height of -2. And I could have just gone back through and grabbed the y value of every one of my points, making sure I don't repeat the value. But I sort of like to look at that because the range is literally the height of each point, the y value, the height. The domain is your sort of movement left and right, your horizontal bit. Let's plot these points. It says A is at 2, 4. So I go over 2, up 4, right there. There's where A would be. B says -1, so go over to -1, up to 3, right there. There's B. C, go over none, so you stay at the origin. The origin is right here at 0, 0. So that's where we're always starting. So we go over none and up 4, which is right here at C. D is -3, -2. So we go over to -3 down to -2. That's D. E is at over 4, down -1. So there's E. And finally, over 2, up none, which is F, which sits right on your x-axis, just like C sits on your y-axis. There you have it.